How to sell on Etsy in 2025 much more due to Pinterest. Compare important Etsy and Pinterest data. How about total visits on Pinterest 1 and 2 billion? Let's dive it together, compare it together. It's really great, guys. Etsy global rank 79, country rank in United States 37, category rank number 5. Compare it to Pinterest. Category rank on Pinterest 22, category rank 21 in United States, category rank number 7, but global rank category rank much more higher on Pinterest, and most important, on Pinterest total visits last month 1 and 2 billion. It's huge data. On Etsy is much more lower total visits the last month 361 and 6 million. If you want to make much more visits to your Etsy shop, to your own shop, use Pinterest. In Pinterest you could add your photos, videos. It's so much easy to add pin on Pinterest and make much more visits to your site and sell much more in this year 2025. You must use this 1 and 2 billion total visits on Pinterest to sell much more on your site from your website. Guys, how about total visits last 3 months? On January on Etsy was 208 million, and on February 361 and 6 million. Total visits much more lower. And look on Pinterest. On Pinterest in January was 1 and 3 billion. Now 1 and 2 billion. You need to add something. You need to add something to your Etsy shop, to your own shop, because look, guys, Etsy nearest concurrent Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, eBay, and on Etsy is lowest total visits last 3 months, and you need to add some social media to improve your Etsy shop, to improve visits to your own shop, because due to Pinterest you could easy, due to only photo video content, you could waste so much less time to make a pin on Pinterest. It's so much easy, and could double visits to your Etsy shop. Etsy traffic by country: United States nearly 60%, United Kingdom nearly 9%, Canada nearly 5%, Germany nearly 4 and 3%, France nearly 3%, and others country. Important traffic on Pinterest: United States nearly 24%, Brazil nearly 7%, Russia nearly 6%, India nearly 5%, Mexico nearly 4%, and others country. Compare demographics. Etsy.com demographics: 18-24 years old, nearly 17%, 25-34, nearly 29%, 35-44, nearly 19%, 35-54, nearly 16%, 55-64, nearly 13%, 65, nearly 9%, and plus. Female on Etsy nearly 60%, male nearly 42%. What about Pinterest? Let's move on Pinterest. On Pinterest, 18-24 years old, nearly 26%, 25-34 years old, nearly 28%, 35-44, nearly 18%, 45-54, nearly 13%, 55-64 years, nearly 10%, and 65 plus, nearly 7%. Female on Pinterest nearly 57%, male nearly 44%. Compare social media traffic. Etsy in 2025, Pinterest nearly 42%, YouTube nearly 24%, Reddit nearly 30%, Facebook nearly 10%, Instagram nearly 6%, and others. What about Pinterest? YouTube number 1 nearly 47%, Pinterest nearly 10%, Facebook nearly 9%, WhatsApp nearly 7%, Instagram nearly 6 and 3%, and others. Conclusion: how Pinterest will help you to sell more from Etsy or any website. Look guys, I add some address, and due to this you will see style, any style that people need. Body types, click on body types and you will receive items on these body types. After body types, you could add some address: cute, casual, boho, long, short. For example, click on this, all on Pinterest, to sell more items. After that, click on filters. Click on filters and all these new people that came on Pinterest. Click on products. After that, click apply and you will see any products. You could click sale. You will receive only sale now. Click on price. Choose price that you want and apply this. Look, Pinterest like a good site, like a marketplace, and all on Pinterest now to sell more items on this platform. Guys, and most important, create pin is so easy now. Add your photo video. You have your photo video if you're selling any items on any marketplace or any website. You have this content. Number one, it's 1 second. On app, on smartphone, on laptop, add photo or video to your new pin. After that, add a small title, small description. Add a link to your site. It's so much important. Due to one click, a person could go to your website and buy much more from you. It's really great, guys. Guys, if you need help with Pinterest, write your questions under this video. If you have questions about Etsy, write under this video. I will help you. I'll make you a new video answer on your questions. Guys, if you need much more traffic from Pinterest to Etsy, use my work 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers 2025 will help you to promote your Etsy shop, to promote your items, to make much more views to your Etsy shop from Pinterest and sell more, of course. And I prepare for you 60% off on set. For example, I write my own Pinterest ebook, how to use Pinterest for Etsy, ebook made by my hand. I will write without AI, Pinterest guide 24 for Etsy sellers, how to use Pinterest for Etsy, and how to use Pinterest SEO, how SEO work. It's not changed. This ebook is work now. If you need help with Pinterest, if you need understand how Pinterest work and how to use Pinterest without paid ads, use this ebook. And if you need help with Etsy SEO, if you need help to sell much more on Etsy, set Etsy SEO plus 500 Pinterest group bots, sell 50% now, of course 60% on much more bigger set. Use this item. If you have any questions about Pinterest, Etsy, write under this video. You are not alone with you, Svitlana Prokhorivska.